Hey guys, I hope you guys have a great day today. In this video, I will do a review on a Rubik's Cube. This cube name called Rubik's Speed. Here it is, guys. I got this from my friend Caleb. The picture was shot off. You guys will see the picture in a few moments after I finish the review box. You know what? Actually, how about now? Here's the picture. Alright, so if you guys already see the picture, yeah, those are my friends. They're all albino kids. I love them. I spent very little time with them, so those are the little time that we spent today. Yeah, 2 days ago actually. So yeah, I'll talk a little more about them later, but right now I'm gonna focus on the Rubik's Speed. They got this for a present for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. It's from Caleb and Caleb's family. Caleb, Kenneth, Crystal, and everyone else. I'm terrible remembering names, so please forgive me. So yeah, here it is. The packaging is really nice. There's the box. The cube is supposed to be so like this. So yeah, this is what it's supposed to be look like. And then we're gonna take out the packaging. Before we do that, we will look at everything right here. They're all Chinese, so I can barely read any. And I'm pretty sure I just did upside down. There you go. Okay. Yep. All right. So yeah, you can take that center pieces out, and then if you like shorter, like loosen and tighter. Sorry. And here's the other side. The top. So yeah, this cube is really nice. I only play a very little time because I had to teach Caleb's family this was some new tricks. But we'll focus on the Rubik's Cube for now. There's the trash. I'm not sure anything else is in there, so I'm gonna just bust this bad boy open. Oh look. What's this? Here. Alright, let me get this close. Let me get close to me. Look at this. Let's see what it is. Alright, so this is just pretty much a Rubik's Cube battle. So let's get rid of the So yeah, let's gonna get this. If you don't want to type everything there, but it's pretty much about Rubik's Cube. So there it is. There's the back. Scanning code right there. Yeah, everything's pretty nice packaging. I hope that I'm not sure that's all. Not sure. See all these junks. Alright, that's it. This is pretty much it. I'm gonna try the cube. Oops. Where did this drop? So yeah, I'm gonna go through this way. I'm gonna try the cube. Alright, here it is. The Rubik's Speed. That's the name. Feel of this cube is pretty good. I tightened this, but when you didn't tighten this, like if you you know, get the center pieces out, start moving the camera, and then you get pliers. I thought it was a screwdriver, but you need some kind of plier to tie this. So I tied this a little bit. I tied the speed I like. It's pretty nice. The best part about this is it moves really smooth. I love it. It just totally amazing. Thank you guys. So yeah. Where did I just miss that? Thank you. Gosh. Yeah, I think I just missed this cue, but anyway, important thing. This cue is from Rubik's Cube company, Rubik'sCube.com company. I think I kind of not remember it. Yeah. It's really fast cube, so it's like from their own company. Some people made it in the US, but this cube is made from like a real, like not really like an actual company. So it's pretty cool. Look on the price. I would say this cube is at least the price. I will go for $15. This cube is really good, so it gotta go for it. It's a price. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So and the trick is you can turn this cube right here. You can just pop this piece and you turn it, and then you turn it again, and you turn it again. So yeah, it's really nice. The quality is really cool. Really nice packaging and everything else. The speed is really well. That's the good part. The bad part is sometimes going too fast, so it's kind of really hard to control. So yeah, but otherwise this cube is really cool. So I'm just doing this repeater to test how the speed cube move. So yeah, this cube is really cool. Really awesome. Thank you, Kayla family. I appreciate for the cube you guys give me for the present. It's really cool. This cube is really smooth, and the size are normal. It's like 9 to 3x3 cube, 9 squares, little squares. So yeah, it's pretty nice. The best thing is this is not very bright. I don't like very bright cube like the other speed cube I have. They're like real bright. So when you play that under the light, they might flash like your eye. Well, I guess my eye. So yeah, this cube is awesome. I will look forward to even play this even more and more and more. So thank you. I'm probably gonna start using this to teach the third or the fourth step. I'm sorry, I haven't really ready for upload that video yet. That video will be coming out soon. Soon as after this hurricane come out in South Carolina. Otherwise, the video will not come out because the hurricane going on. We gotta move. So yeah. Yeah, so this cube's really nice, really cool. Package is awesome. Everything is cool. I love it. The speed the sound is pretty cool. A little bit loud, but it's fine. So yeah, thank you guys. So yeah, that's it. Here is the cube, guys. So I'm gonna just face all these sides for you guys to look at slowly. There will be a little spinning thing, and then this cube will be on top of it, and we'll just look at the size. But I look at the whole thing. Alright, so yeah. Hey, just like you guys, Caleb and Kenny, sorry, I can't pronounce your name very good. Krista and everything, the girls and everybody else there. I figure I don't know, this is how I think it is. I know we haven't looked stuff so closely, like this close. When you guys get older, you guys will see stuff far away will be better for you guys. Just let you guys know, so you guys can't wait till you guys grow up as an adult. And then if you guys grow up, get older, your eye vision will be actually a lot better. That's how I am. I need to do some research to it. I need to make sure my talk is true story or some kind of research to it. So I will do some research to it. If I did, I'll make a video about how that happened and why. As you guys already know, if you do, just comment below and tell me how, because I really don't know. So yeah. So here's how this goes. When you guys are like when we us 4 or 5, how many it is? When we are young, we see stuff really like close since our eye vision is really low. True, it is. When I get older, I don't have to see stuff this close until I'm reading. I know I got a lot of stuff to help me reading. So the important part is when you get like older, you don't have to look stuff too close. So I'm gonna bet this that Kenneth see better than Caleb because he's older. It's not I'm trying to be rude. It's just how age go, and then when you get older, you will see stuff far away. You don't have to see this because it says kiddie string. You can like this, like I see. I have seen you guys play Q a while ago. I see Caleb play Q really close to him sometimes. I see the other boy, Kenneth, he played Q a little bit lower. And then when I play Q, I played even lower since I got used to it. It's not I memorize the move, it's just I see better when I get older. Like when I grow and then bigger and taller, or however it is. My mom has a theory is that I don't know if it's theory or not. She said that maybe it's like the bone inside your eyeball. Well, not eyeball, like something going. I really don't know. I just forgot everything. I'll do some research to it. If you guys know it, please tell me in the comment because I need to know how this happened, because I certainly confused because I actually see a lot better than I usually be, than I used to. Sorry. But it's amazing how my eye vision is getting better, because normally your eye vision either get worse when you get older, because I see some people their eye vision is getting weaker, but I guess for us it's getting better for a reason, and I really don't know the reason. I will do research, I promise. So yeah, if you guys know, please comment below and let me know how this happened and why. I've been asking my mom and dad, and they tell me a second ago, and they just 1 second I just forgot everything. So yeah, that's it. I'll just off this really quick. We have one section that'll be in. But yeah, remember, if you guys get older and older, your vision will be better. And one more thing, do not let anybody make fun of you. If anybody make fun of you, they make fun of everybody. It's like they make fun of me. I'm not gonna let them do it. So don't be afraid. God always protect you guys. I've been a really few terrible situations before. I don't want you guys to be there. So please, if you guys anybody make fun of you, don't let them to. I wish we can get back together. Like when, I wish like we can live together. But time we can't do that. But if we can, if they miss one of us, they miss all of us. I love you guys so much. Hopefully we can meet again soon, really soon. So yeah, I will go into the last part of the video and we will say goodbye. Alright, that's all the video for today. Thanks for the cue again, guys. If you guys like this cue, like Rubik's cube, you guys like this cue, I'll put the link below. This cube. I got asked where they got it. So I think it's at the rubikscube.com or something. I really don't know, but I'll ask. And then so yeah, if Kayla, you guys are watching this video, send me the link of your where did you get this cube, that I can put it in the description. But otherwise, thank you guys. For you guys, most of you guys don't know, Kayla family is really important to me. They actually the one helped me to get adopted a new family. So yeah, Kayla is from Handan as well. Me, Caleb, and the other girl. Sorry, I can't remember your name. But yeah, they're awesome. They're so beautiful. Their family are so amazing. I really happy to see them again. It has been such a long time, probably up and down 7 a year probably. I really don't know. I'm just being crazy. So yeah, it's good to hear you guys again. Thank you for the present again, once again. You guys are awesome. There's, I don't know how many thank you I can say, but you guys helped me get adapted since I was a kid. I know I've been since I was a kid when we went to the restaurant and you guys said, I asked you guys to adopt me because I always want a family. I wonder what a family look like, and there it is. The family look like amazing. I love it. Yes, again, thank you. God bless you guys. Thank you for the Father that actually helped us connected and we all got together once again. I know it's been such a long time that I didn't say much there, but yeah. I will make sure I'll perform for you guys a perfect style yo-yo trick when next time we met. I know this I didn't do very much because we had to go and because of the hurricane. Otherwise, it's just pretty much cool. Everything else is chilling right now beside the hurricane. It's torching this way. So yeah, everybody I met over there is really awesome. They're really cool. Their mom, their dad are awesome. There's 2 little girls I met. They're so cute. They're so adorable. I barely talked to the little girls, so next time I will focus on the girls. So yeah, the picture should be out in the beginning of the video. If you haven't seen it, I'll probably post at least one more picture. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any question, comment below. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.